The Thermaltake Tower 200 Mini-ITX 380mm GPU case is a compact powerhouse. It is designed for small spaces. Yet, it holds big components. This case is like a tiny apartment. However, it still offers plenty of room. You can fit a large graphics card inside. Specifically, it supports GPUs up to 380mm. This is excellent for serious gamers. Moreover, the case comes with two large fans. These 140mm quart 140 fans are pre-installed. They keep everything cool. Thus, your computer runs smoothly. Furthermore, the Thermaltake Tower 200 Mini-ITX 380mm GPU has a unique look. Its turquoise color really stands out. It's not your typical black box. Therefore, it adds flair to any setup. Also, the case is easy to build in. Even beginners can manage. The design is user-friendly. In addition, it feels sturdy. This means it will last finally. Thermaltake offers a 3-year warranty. This provides peace of mind. Overall, it is a great choice. Nevertheless, remember its size. It's a Mini-ITX case. So, it's not for huge motherboards. But, for a compact build, it excels. It's a champion in its category. Because it blends style with function. After all, a good case protects your parts. Simultaneously, it looks good. The Thermaltake Tower 200 Mini-ITX 380mm GPU does both. Consequently, it's a solid recommendation. Pros: easy to disassemble, no screws needed, great cable management, good airflow, spacious for consumer parts, displays internals nicely, easy to work in, magnetic panels for easy cleaning, slide-out bottom filter. For maintenance, plenty of space for cable routing, supports vertical GPU mounts, sturdy and attractive design, accommodates large fans, I/O coolers. Cons: extremely limiting with cables. Cables come out the top, bit bigger than I was expecting. GPU riser bracket gets in the way. Design makes most things hard to reach, awkward to plug things into. Motherboard, GPU, RGB fans didn't work instantly, hard to add, delete, or fix anything. Features: Mini-ITX case type, includes 2 quart 140 fans, 140mm pre-installed fans, max GPU length 380mm, model CA1x900SBWN00, case color turquoise, 3-year warranty, compact design, optimized airflow, durable construction. The Thermaltake Tower 200 is a small computer case. It comes with 2 large 140mm fans already installed, which helps keep things cool. You can fit a graphics card up to 380mm long inside. The case is a turquoise color and has a compact design. It's built to be durable and comes with a 3-year warranty. The Thermaltake Tower 200 Mini-ITX computer case is a good choice for showing off your computer's parts because of its clear panels. It's easy to take apart and clean, thanks to magnetic panels and a slide-out filter. It also has good airflow and space for big fans or coolers. However, this case is larger than some Mini-ITX cases and can make plugging in cables and reaching parts tricky, especially since cables come out the top. Some users also had issues with the included RGB fans.